Good morning, students. In previous class, I have explained universal of gravitation, that is F equal to g m1 m2 by r square and its application. And today I am going to derive the equation which relates acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant. That means the relation between small g and capital G. Small g means acceleration due to gravity, and next one is capital G, universal gravitational constant. So consider m mass of the object separated from center of earth with r distance. Let small m means mass of object, capital M means mass of earth. Apply universal law. What is universal law? We all know that universal law F equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Now the equation is modified like this: F equal to G m1 means let us say small m, m2 means let us say capital M by r square. Now this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. We all know that earth attracts all objects with some force according to Newton's second law. F equal to what Newton's second law explains? F equal to ma, force equation. Now F equal to m, A is converted as acceleration due to gravity. G means it is acceleration because of gravity, due to gravity. So F equal to what is the equation? Mg. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. F equal to mg. Now first equation F equal to G small m capital M by r square, equation number 1, and F equal to mg, equation number 2. Now both are equal. Why? Because in mathematics you know that x equal to a, x equal to b, a equal to b. This is the transitive property. So both equations are equalized. So we can say that mg equal to small g, capital G, small m, capital M by r square. In the case of equalizing process, small m cancel. And finally what we are having? Small g equal to capital G m by r square. So this is the relation between small g and capital G. So G equal to Gm by R square. So that final equation, what we have taken in previous, mass of the stone and mass of the earth. Here which one is disappeared? Mass of stone. That's why we can say that G means acceleration due to gravity is independent of mass of stone. Now the variation of G values, small g values, that is acceleration due to gravity, whenever object is projected particular height, at particular height the acceleration due to gravity small g having one formula, that is gh equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. gh equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. H is the height projected and r is radius of earth. H means height projected, r means radius of earth. G, acceleration due to gravity on earth, that is almost 9.8 meter by second square. Next one is G depth. The equation is acceleration due to gravity at depth, Gd equal to G into 1 minus d by r. D means depth reached by object and r means radius of earth. So these two equations derivations next episode we will discuss. This is intermediate syllabus. Now just you have to mind the equation. This is important in our class. Acceleration due to gravity height equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. What is height? H means height projected by the object. R means radius of earth. And next one is Gd equal to g into 1 minus d by r. D is depth. On the surface we already discussed. That is G equal to Gm by r square. When object is in linear motion, the equations of motions are applicable. V equal to Q plus AD S equal to UT plus half AT square and V square minus U square equal to 2AS and Sm equal to U plus A into N minus half. U plus A into N minus half. Four equations of motions. V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square equal to 2AS, Sn equal to U plus A into N minus half. Whereas V is final velocity and U is initial velocity, A means acceleration, T means time, S means distance or displacement, and this is the new equations. These three equations are in 9th class syllabus, but this one we will learn in intermediate. But even though in last end of the lesson, I will explain how we can derive. This is the nth equation. Nth equation of motion, Sn equal to u plus at n minus half. So, these three equations of motions already we derived, and I have sent the information. So, you have to read. And what is V? Final velocity. U is initial velocity. A means acceleration. T means time. And S means displacement. Once again, V means final velocity. U means initial velocity. A means acceleration. T means time. S means distance or displacement. This is nth equation of motion, nth second. Sn equal to u plus a into n minus half. Nth second means in the fifth second the object travelled. At that time you can use this equation of motion. Of course, it will be introduced in intermediate, even though I will explain at the end of this class. So this is the nth second, fifth seconds. 5 seconds are given, you can use t. These three equals of motions. Third seconds, you can use this one. 3 seconds, we can use this one. Case of freely falling body, object is coming downwards, earth gravity is also downwards, both are same directions, so that we can write A equal to plus G. Why should I give plus G? Why? Because object is coming downwards, gravity downwards, both are same direction. That's why I have given A equal to plus G. An object is projected vertically upwards. Object is moving. Next case I am going to discuss. Object is projected vertically upwards. It is moving. The direction of object, the motion of the object is upwards, and earth gravity is downwards. Both are opposite. That's why acceleration due to gravity, A is taken negative. The sign convention, what I have taken negative. Why I have taken negative? Object is moving upwards and earth gravity is downwards. That's why both are negative. Equation, that is maximum height reached by the object. The formula is h equal to u square by 2g. So how we can define maximum height reached by the object? When object is projected with some velocity, then what happens? The velocity, that velocity means the final velocity gradually decreases and becomes 0. And that's why it will come down again. So, where the final velocity is 0, from that point to surface of earth can be called as maximum height. Once again, whenever object is projected vertically upwards, its final velocity decreases and becomes 0 one particular point. That particular point to earth surface can be called as H maximum or maximum height. In this way, I already explained, A is minus G, negative G. Why? Because object is moving upwards and earth gravity is downwards. Both are opposite. And the definition consisting of V equal to 0. Take equation of motion number 3. What is the equation of motion number 3? V square minus u square v square minus u square equal to 2as. So v is 0. 0 square minus u square 2 into a means minus g. Distance or displacement is converted to height. Both are similar words. In the linear motion, how much distance traveled? Freely falling body vertical upwards, the distance and the displacement term is converted as height. So S means height h. So what we are having? Minus u square equal to minus 2gh. And minus minus cancel. And what you are having, you know the mathematics. H equal to u square by 2g. This is nothing but it reaches maximum height. So the equation you got, you obtain, that is h equal to u square by 2g, whereas u is initial velocity, g means acceleration due to gravity. Friends, previous class, we learned about universal of gravitation F equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. This class, we have discussed small g capital G relation G equal to gm by r square, and at particular height the G equation, depth the G equation we have discussed, and these derivations next class we will discuss. Next one is and maximum height, h maximum equal to u square by 2g, and time of ascent, time of flight next class we will discuss. Okay, until then, have a nice day. Thank you.